So I received a couple of requests to hear the engine run, so we'll give it a little rev. I'll also show you, because I didn't show you yesterday, where the battery now is. And we added an inverter, which I have the ability to power on and off from in here. We'll do a CB there, and I just temporarily, or maybe even permanently, have a sound box from Bosch that sounds great, and I can charge my power tools with it. But that ended up being where we hide the goodies. Let's get this thing cranking. That's how it sounds with a Mustang V8 in it.